Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this Bodycam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
Sorry.
407 Center. Where's it?
How's it going?
What's up, Chris?
Hello.
Hello. Just gotta let you know my camera's on, alright?
Yeah, no problem.
What's going on?
Get your stuff ready now. Are you taking a report?
Yeah.
Do you want me to pull this, Chris?
Yeah.
Around 4:51 p.m. on January 24, 2026, Officer Andrew Bartolone with the Middletown Township Police Department responded to a report of a female shoplifter at the Target on 2105 Route 35. He walked over to the loss prevention office and made contact with the alleged shoplifter, who was identified as Jaclyn Colaizzo. The loss prevention employees informed the officers that the woman had attempted to exit the store with pillows and a CeraVe cream that she did not pay for at self-checkout.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
She'll show you everything.
No problem. And like I said, I apologize. The paper towels, I definitely scan and I move it to the side.
She likes two of these. And then she puts the two in her bag.
But I did only want the one. I did explain that.
She has the two right there.
No, yeah, it was in the bag. There's nothing to lie about.
So then she only scanned, she left that one in the bag.
Okay.
And only scanned that one. But there's previous incidents as well. Chris, can I have her part number so I can pull that up?
So just worry about the one from here.
Okay.
He's getting a training receipt with all the incidents.
What was it?
But she can show you the video.
Whatever. I spend like $150 every time I come. Like, why? It's fine. I'll just.
Doesn't make it right to steal.
No. I've scanned things. I've scanned things twice. The people come over. I'm just never doing self-checkout again, ever. Because I get distracted and it's not worth it.
This one. So she has 3 bins. She scanned the bins.
Sorry.
There's hangers underneath. She'll pull it out and show. She doesn't scan that. She scans that and hits pay, and then tries to scan the next one, but it doesn't actually scan because she's on the payment screen.
Wait, hangers? Do you know I brought those back in? Do you have the video of that? 'Cause I
Alright, so the
realized-
baskets and everything are
Yes.
on here, right?
So
Or on this receipt?
so the pillow, it's the hangers that she didn't scan, but the baskets she
But
did
you have the
scan.
video of me walking the hangers back into customer service?
So, but everything on here, like, all the combined is all on here,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
You
No,
put it like,
I
I'm
don't-
just- No, I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, so the CeraVe, that's from today, and then these are from the previous incident.
Okay.
Jay, which one?
I didn't
has
argue the
Clorox?
CeraVe. I'm saying the hangers, I literally walked back into customer service that day.
Alright, ma'am, stand up.
Yes.
Put your hands on the wall. Just want to give her a quick pat
No
down.
problem.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me or stick me?
Me? No. can you guys just find a video of me bringing the hangers back in when I have
you
my
can.
car
In
and
case
realize
someone-
it's in there?
Case number is going to be 26 Mama Tango 03208. 03208.
10-4, thank you. What's your case number? What was that case number? 03208?
03208.
Did you want to see for the lights as well?
It's all that.
Are you taking my keys and car?
Yeah.
How come?
We're gonna put it in the back of the car.
Oh, really? For,
The value of those items was estimated to be around $30, including sales taxes, according to the training receipt generated by the store. Based on their surveillance footage and the store's decision to press charges, Jaclyn was placed under arrest for shoplifting. Jaclyn, she was handcuffed and placed inside the patrol car.
Yes, ma'am, you're under arrest for shoplifting. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
can I just not walk out with my hands handcuffed?
Absolutely not. You don't
Oh,
determine what happens
please.
here. Thank you. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Can I put that in my car since this is paid for?
Not right now.
Well, can I just ask where I'm going?
You go to Middletown
Sorry.
headquarters. Turn around, put your hands
Do I
behind
have
your
to
back.
stay like overnight? I want to take my jacket off. Can I put red? Okay, it's like red. How far is the car? Like, do I have to like walk in front of a bunch of people?
It's right in front of the store.
Okay. It's a white Traverse with like red on the tires. Do I sit in jail like overnight?
Probably not. You probably get released under summons.
Okay. What does that mean?
That means that I'm going to process you, fingerprint you, all that good stuff, and then I'll probably bring you back here to get your car and stuff.
I come
But-
back here and then I drive
To get your
myself?
car.
Oh, so summons is
They-
like what?
You get processed and released.
But like something happens from the summons, right? Like,
You get a court date. You got to
Oh,
go to
I get a
court.
court
Yeah,
date.
you got to go to court for sure.
can I go to jail for this? Like, what
Okay.
happens with, what hap, wait, before we leave here, I just need to talk to you,
So
if you don't mind.
all right. So depending on what happens with the computer system that we have, okay, determines whether you get released on a summons or you go to county jail. Have you ever been arrested before?
Clearly not.
No? Okay. So then you'll probably be released on a summons. What that means is that you're going to get a piece of paper with why you were charged, what you were charged with, and a court date. You're going to go to court and then you're going to pay your fine or whatever on that court date.
So I have to get a lawyer?
It's up to you.
Wait, say it again.
Not
I was
right
like-
now.
I was half listening. Say it again. Sorry, I'm like, you could imagine.
So
but I'm-
really listen
Yeah.
this time because I'm not going to repeat myself
Okay,
again.
Don't
Okay?
mean to me, I'm
So,
like scared and nervous.
I understand, but I just explained everything to you.
I know,
And
but
now
I
you're saying
didn't-
you're not even listening to me,
I
so I
am-
will waste my time listening.
Sir, I'm listening, I'm not
Okay,
processing,
so-
that's the difference.
You're going to get a piece of paper
Today,
today.
okay,
We're going to go to headquarters. I'm going to
Okay.
process you.
Okay.
Your pictures, your fingerprints, okay? And then I'm going to do the complaint.
okay,
The complaint is the summons,
okay,
okay? If it goes that route, which I'm assuming it will be,
okay,
okay? From there, you're going to get released with a court date.
okay.
You have to show up to court
Okay.
on that court date,
Okay.
on that time,
Yep,
that's on
yep,
there.
yep, yep.
And that's that.
But then
Then-
what happens, I guess, at the court date?
Small pause here. If you like these videos, hitting subscribe would mean a lot. We're incredibly close to 100K, and your support helps more than you know.
Whatever the judge tells you. You go to court and you go before the judge, and then the judge will say what happens.
Okay.
All right? Thanks, guys.
Can we walk out fast?
Yes, we could. I don't want to be here any longer than you do.
In the front seat, if you don't mind.
The front seat of what?
My car.
Oh, is that your car right there?
Yeah, it's actually right there, see?
We're waiting right next to that Prius right there. This one, to the left, to the left, to the left.
Just the front, like the front seat or the passenger seat. Thank you so much. This sucks.
Just stay right by my car. 1 second. You give you one more quick pat down, okay?
Me?
Yep.
Officer Bartolone transported her to the Middletown Township Police Department for further processing. She was charged with shoplifting under 2 2011B1 and released pending her court appearance.
Have a seat.
Oh, it's dirty.
Locked. And everything's up.
Okay. Forward to county.
Good.
Can be transporting one adult female 41 from target headquarters starting is 64852.
32, transporting one female, 41 to headquarters, 64852. 17.
Do you know what they're even like, so this is the charges for the $17 CeraVe?
It's a DP. It's a disorderly persons offense.
Oh, okay.
All right. So like I said, you're going to get a summons. It's a criminal summons. It's not like a regular traffic summons.
Right.
So you're gonna get a court date on it. You go to court, and then the judge determines your penalty.
No, that I understand, but when I go to the judge,
Mhm.
is it going to be like, you got arrested for
Shoplifting, yes.
$17.99 CeraVe?
Any available for Zone 1 call, fire alarm, 87 Branyard.
So the
Because like she said
Or
something about the
something else.
counters, and I literally walked to those. I know,
Alright,
I know
Steve.
it doesn't matter to you, but I literally.
well, you didn't pay for them. You left the store without paying for them.
Correct.
So that's why it's considered shoplifting.
No, I'm not
Okay.
disagreeing, but I'm saying I
So-
want her to pull up. Not that it matters. I asked her to pull up the video of me 5 seconds later walking back into the store
That-
with them.
That's fine. I mean,
No, I know that's not
Like,
your
that's-
concern, but what I'm saying is it going to be like $17.99 CeraVe, $12.99? Like, is it like a
yes, it's a total amount. So it's a total amount of $30
$30?
from what I saw on the receipt.
Okay.
So that's what determines the amount. The amount determines the degree of the charge. All right. So yours it's a disorderly persons.
$30. But see, and again, I know you're doing your job, and I totally respect that. But
Yep.
I literally spend $175 every time I go. Why would I take $30?
I understand, but
No,
unfortunately you did. You know what I mean? So
I fully.
it's on camera. You know,
No,
things
I
like that. So
fully understand that. That's why I'm just thinking, like, do I need a lawyer at the court to work?
I mean, you could get a lawyer. Typically you meet with the public defender. If you can't afford a lawyer,
Well, no, I can't afford
Um,
it. Can I still get a public defender?
yeah, you can. And then typically they'll come to like a plea agreement or something like that before your hearing, from what I've seen in the past. But again, every case is different. I don't, really know what goes on the court side of
I
things.
feel like people are kind of lying to me, because that other guy was like, "There'd be no problem. You're just gonna do this. You're gonna sign papers, and then you're gonna leave." And then it became, "You're gonna do this, sign papers. Police are gonna come, and you're gonna pay a fine." So like, I'm not sure what to believe, and obviously I have to protect them. You know what I mean?
Right. I got you. So I'm not going to give you legal advice.
Of course not. Just experience advice as well.
If you want to get a lawyer, you can. If you don't, there's public defenders available. What?
You said it was 30?
$30. depends.
Could it be like 2 hours?
It could be 2 hours, it could be an hour. It depends how cooperative you are with me.
Oh,
Which I don't see you giving me a hard time. So it should be pretty quick.
like 15 minutes?
I wouldn't say 15. I would say no less than 45 minutes, no more than an hour and a half. All right. It's more paperwork than anything else.
Gotcha. And there's no way from here, someone's like, here, just pay this fine and it's over.
No, it's past that.
I appreciate your honesty.
So the fine you're probably going to pay is, what the court issues you.
Well, if you had a guess.
I don't know. I've never seen like that end of things. I've never seen,
Do you
what.
think they're honest? Do you think if I went there without a lawyer for $30, they could arrest, like they could put me in jail?
I don't know. I've never been to like a shoplifting hearing. I've made many shoplifting arrests, but
And has it ever been $30?
I've arrested people for $7.
And you don't know what's come of it.
Again, they get put on a summons and then they go to court.
No, like you don't know the next step.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know like the outcome.
And
I'm assuming you're, probably going to get a fine in court and you're going to pay the fine. And that's going to be it.
we get like a cranky person, cranky guy. I would have walked out very quiet.
I understand. But unfortunately, I have protocols to follow as well,
First you was yelling at me. So like
Force
who
in
had
arriving
that
headquarters,
receipt of $30?
ending
Like, why?
is 64854. What's that?
Like that receipt of $30.
Yeah, it's right there.
31402, out of
Like, will I get a
headquarters.
copy of that?
Will you get a copy of it?
If I want to give it to like the lawyer, like this is what they're like.
Everything's going to be in a case number. So you're going to.
Court records indicate that on March 2, 2026, her shoplifting charge was downgraded to unnecessary noises, Ordinance 344-1-4, as part of a plea agreement. She also had to pay a total of $533 in fines as part of her guilty plea. Real estate records indicate that her personal residence is estimated to be worth approximately $1.2 million. Jaclyn also paid $15,670 in property taxes for the 2025 calendar year.
I know, this is me being annoying now. Was it exactly 30?
I think it was like $28.
20.
I think it was like $30 with tax, but we don't charge the tax number. We charge just the regular amount. That's what we go by.
I got it.
But you'll get a case number, you'll get all that stuff, and then you're able to get a copy of the police report.
Is there
Why is
someone
this
in here that would better be able to answer those questions that I'm asking you?
What about court
Like, yes.
going off?